Air blast equipment is commonly used in molding machines to eject, clean, cool, or dry the molded parts or molds themselves. It involves the use of compressed air to deliver a high-velocity stream of air or other gases to achieve the desired effect. Here are some common applications of air blast equipment on molding machines. Part cleaning. After the molding process, parts may have residual debris, such as flash, mold release agents, or loose particles. Air blast equipment in combination with a rotating brush can be used to blow away these contaminants and achieve a clean surface finish. Part cooling. Some molding processes generate excessive heat, and it is essential to cool the parts quickly to maintain their dimensional stability. Air blasts can be directed at the molded parts to facilitate rapid cooling, ensuring proper solidification, and preventing warping or distortion. Part ejection. Air blasts can also be utilized as part of the ejection mechanism in molding machines. By directing a high-velocity air stream onto the mold cavity, the air pressure assists in ejecting the finished parts from the mold, facilitating smooth and efficient demolding. It is important to note that the specific design and configuration of air blast equipment can vary depending on the molding machine, application requirements, and the type of materials being processed. Molding machine manufacturers or suppliers can provide specific details regarding the air blast systems integrated into their equipment.